So on today's episode, we're going to start fitting the rocker panel to the wide body conversion, so come along. Yeah, so first I think what we're going to do is get all the spot welds drilled out of this one, and then I'm probably going to work on cutting this one off. I think what I'm going to do is probably just cut at this body line right here for now. That way we can ideally put the blue one on. So I'm pretty sure this part of the body is the same. It's just this part down here that's different. But yeah, what we'll have to do is we'll have to, I'm pretty much going to cut that off first. And then I'm going to start working on all the spot welds. On this car, we're going to have to actually use a spot weld drill bit. On this one, we can just punch through the spot welds with just a regular drill bit. The reason you use a spot weld drill bit is so you still have the backing plate to weld to. Obviously, we're not reusing this floor pan or anything like that, so we can just punch right through it. But yeah, I think we're going to get started doing that, and hopefully get this one fitted here soon, because we got about 3 weeks left of working on this car before we got to start working on that one. Spring's right around the corner, and I'm going to want something to drive. No way this car is going to be done in time. What do you think, Jason? You think it's going to be done?
Oh, absolutely.
Painted, everything?
Who needs paint? That doesn't make it go.
But yeah, so we're going to get cooking on this and go from there. Yeah, so I've got most of the rocker cut off. So the reason I did it this way, so I can get to the spot welds easier. Because if you look on the narrow body, the body actually like comes down, and it was a pain in the butt to get the spot weld drill bit at the right angle. So this is basically just to give us access to all the spot welds. Obviously we still gotta cut it off up here, but the doors are kind of in the way. But yeah, so far so good. Start here. And I'm probably thinking start right here, bring it down for the seam. I think that's a good enough spot as any. Yeah, I'm also just gonna have to kind of play it by ear. Then we got Jason over here, he's plugging away. Having fun, Jason?
Heck yeah.
How's your Milwaukee tools?
Not very impressed at this moment.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep plugging away at this, he's gonna keep plugging away at that. It'd be cool if we can kind of get it rough fitted tonight. I'd also be pretty happy to at least get that one off tonight. Alright, so we got this one off. Jason kicked some butt. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's kind of, it's gratifying.
Yeah. So probably what we'll do is we'll probably, not tonight, we're running out of time tonight. We'll probably match this up to this quarter and trim this all up. And then what we'll do is we'll work on getting all the spot welds and everything taken out so we can kind of start fitting it. Because we're going to have to seam it in right here. The rest of it should just be spot weld stuff. And then we can actually start welding everything. And then this side is done. You know, obviously it needs paint and all that kind of stuff. But step in the right direction. What do you think, Jason?
Nope.
No? You don't think?
I don't know. We're moving. I think it's moving a lot faster than we both thought it was going to go. I mean, there's a lot of work to be done yet. I understand that, but it's progressing well. I'm having fun. I'm learning a lot doing this project.
that's what we're gonna call this for tonight. It's like 9:30, I think. So do a little bit of cleanup and see you guys next week. All right, so we're back. We gotta work on getting the rocker out over here, but the best way to tackle that is we're gonna take these doors off. It's gonna be easier for fitting everything anyway, especially like when I've got to weld this seam in right here and that seam in up there. The door's in the way. It's just not something I want to deal with. So what we're gonna do, Jason and I, we're gonna get these doors off, set them to the side. I think I'm gonna have Jason working on getting the old spot welds out of this, and I'm gonna work on getting this rear arch fit up a little bit better. Because ideally, next week we're welding. We have, after today, we have one more week of working on this car before we have to shift focus. I know I've said that, but spring is allegedly right around the corner, so I want to have a running car. I say that as we're supposed to get 5 to 8 inches tomorrow. It's Wisconsin, so you excited?
Oh, absolutely. I'm always excited, aren't I?
It looks so wild. Yeah, so kind of cut a little deep in here because I couldn't really see because the doors were on. But we're gonna probably, I mean, I can weld it up, but I think I'm gonna section it in like, maybe like right here. It'd probably be the easiest. Straight down here. Oh, have to play it by ear, but yeah, Jason's gonna work on getting all those out and just kind of go from there, see what we're dealing with. You ready, Freddie?
Ready. Start making holes.
How's it going down here, bud?
Good, almost done.
Well, at the bottom.
Yeah, well, the bottom's the tough part, so
Yeah.
almost got her.
Cool.
Making progress there, boss man.
Yeah, because then we can put the new rocker up to it and see
Heck yeah.
what kind of shenanigans we're dealing with.
Yeah, it should be interesting, I'm sure. Good luck with that laying on. That's
Yeah.
kind of nice, though.
Awesome. So then, yeah, what we gotta do is we just gotta get the rest of these.
Yeah.
Like I said, I right where this is right here, Jason. Just stop at that one.
This one or that
This one right here, I think, for now. See how, well, obviously we gotta get that front piece cut off yet, too.
Yeah, I think there's
Yeah, there's gonna be at least one, I think. Like right there, looks like maybe two.
I think one or two.
Yeah.
But you got this one. There's two up here you have.
No, that's where the fender bolt's on.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so.
Oh, cool.
Well, here's our rough rocker removal. So we're gonna grab the new one, fit it up, just kind of see what we're dealing with. I'm probably gonna cut the tail off so we can get the quarter put back on, so we can do like a rough fit of everything. And if everything's looking good, then it's just doing a little bit of cleanup and like actual final fit up. But let's toss this rocker on and see what we're dealing with. Well, it's actually kind of starting to look like something. So the rocker is more or less all fit up. Obviously we have to trim and everything like that. So what we'll do is we'll cut the blue car down, or the blue donor down, and then we'll line that up to the red car, and that's where we'll make our red cut. That way we know for sure. But yeah, I think we did pretty good. I mean, this is the body hole right here for the side skirt. Like, it lines up perfect. So that's gonna be our scribe line. I'm probably gonna weld that before we weld any of these parts on the car. It's gonna make it kind of hard to get it up there, but it'll be easier in the long run, so I don't have to make that weld like on my back, I think. What do you think, Jason?
I think it'll slide in there pretty nice. I mean, the metal's light enough, you can massage it in there and make it work.
It's a little bit of a finagle, but yeah, I think that's actually where I'm gonna leave this episode. So next week, hopefully we're welding this in, because like I said, that is the last week to work on this car for now. We need to work on my Evo. It needs to get done. I'll probably continue working on this on the side, and Jason will be working on this. I haven't really figured that out yet, but that means videos for the Evo are going to be coming out soon. So look forward to that. But if you guys are looking forward to this, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.